Hey guys, this is just Jessica, and today we are going to work again with some magnetic lashes. Now I had a pair a few months ago, I forgot what they're called, but I will put the video at the end of this video. I'll put it up there as a recommendation to watch. I forgot what brand it was, but I hated them. And a friend of mine really wanted them, so I gave them to her. But she hasn't told me how she's liked them yet either. So I've always been suspicious when it comes to magnetic lashes. But here's the thing, I'm a big ditz. I got this in the mail. It's called Magic Eyeliner. This is like a magic eyelash kit from the brand Visiley. And I looked on Amazon, and it goes between $22 and $27. And in this kit you get like the eyeliner, the mascara, and you get 2 sets of lashes. There's like the case, and here's like an extra set. And these look like way out there, and these are like a little bit more natural. And I'm going to show you a little up close so you can see how it is spelt, if my camera would work. It's Viciley. And but here's the ditzy thing that I've done. I didn't know it was magnetic. I just packed it out and was using the eyeliner, and I thought the eyeliner was great, and so I went online to check the price, and so I could restock it if I wanted to, just to see how much it was. And I saw that it was a magnetic eyelash kit. Duh! So I'm going to try these and see if they work. So let's talk about the video I uploaded yesterday, the Valentine's video that I ended up putting on private. I misunderstood something about the rules, and my dumbass, it's supposed to be uploaded like on the 12th. I'm not sure about what time, and my dumbass didn't. So I like tagged all these people and everything, and anyways. So I took it down, and I'm going to have to redo that one. But I'm not sure if I'm going to do it the same way or what, but I'm going to definitely find a solution. So I've got just like, I'm going to go up natural. I'm just basically all natural, kind of, just a little bit of powder, some blush, and a little bit of eyeshadow, just a little bit. My mom would be so proud because she likes it when I go a little bit natural. But it's hard for me to do that, y'all. I like to go all out there. So I'm going to use these little wispy ones that are in this little package here. And I'm going to go ahead and take them off of the sticker and see if, oh wow, these, okay, now I didn't like the Jordan Woods lashes because they're wispy like this too, but they are so, the band is so thin, like, I like them when they're a little thicker. Especially when I use eyeliner like this. Let me see if I might need to cut them. Normally I never need to cut my lashes. And normally they work pretty good. Let me see, are these going to fit? Yeah, they're going to fit. And I like it when they have, sometimes when you get lashes and you take them off the thing, they'll be straight as a board. You know, even though the package is curved, I like it when they stay curved like that. Okay, so let me see, left eye, right eye. So first I'm going to put on 2 nice coats, thick coats of the eyeliner. Okay, yeah, and see, I just like this eyeliner. I didn't know it was magnetic eyeliner, and I'm just sitting there wearing it like every day since I got it. Okay, so let's let that dry. That's the first coat. I really like to wear a lot of liquid eyeliner. I love felt tips, and I love tips like this that are straight all the way around. I don't like curves and different points on one side than the other. I like one size, you know? Okay, so, and this dries down really good too. So I'm going to go on with the second coat just on this eye and go ahead and try to apply these things. Okay, so Here we go. Get this here. No. Okay, they stick a little. No. What the hell now? Okay, so. Okay, it's better than the ones that I had last time. Okay, now we got it going on. Okay, so this side. Yeah, put that more towards the bottom. Oh my god, are they actually working? Okay. They're just really big. That's okay though, because that's all I'm going to do today in my face. I'm going to work later. So I'm so excited, y'all, about tomorrow. If you know anything about my past, I'm not sure how many real of like my friends are on this channel, because I checked out my subscribers and I see that a lot of them are private. So, but if you know anything about me, you'll know that I'm really, really excited for tomorrow, because I get to go to the dentist and they are going to whiten my teeth. Next month I actually get a few of my teeth fixed, and that's one of my big insecurities. In my past I never did that, never got my teeth fixed or anything, because, you know, I'm in active addiction. I was in active addiction. I'm not anymore. I've been in recovery for a few years now. This actually works. Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm really shocked. Okay, now you do kind of still got to make sure that the corner is where it needs to be, because it'll stick everywhere else and the corner will fly up like this one is. Yeah, this corner's flying up. You can get down there where you belong. And now I've got some kind of fuzzy in there. Oh, I'm shook. Okay, so it comes also with the mascara, which I'm going to put right under here. Now, every time, okay, you see this little thread? That's not hair. That's actually mascara that's come out. Every time I do this, it does that. See it again? So I'm just going to wipe that off. And I'm hoping that see, I didn't really read anything. I'm hoping that there's like, these things are like airplanes, that there's like some kind of magnetic fibers or something in here to keep them on, because with magnetic lashes, I never feel secure. I'm surprised they went on like this. I mean, this is just off the chain. So I'm going to do my bottom lash. And I can test them really good because I'm going to work. I think today's going to be a pretty slow day, though. It's Monday. Oh, well, who knows? It's Martin Luther King Day. Happy Martin Luther King Day to everybody. There should be a parade in town. So, this is it. And I have to say I'm shook. I really am. Okay, so here's the thing. When I first got this in the package, this was the first thing I wanted to look at, right? I didn't want to look at the lashes or the mascara or anything. And I took it off, and the felt tip was solid white. I thought there was like something wrong with it or something. But what I didn't know is that this here at the top sticks out when you get it, and you have to press it in and shake it, and then the product goes to the felt tip. And I think that's a great idea. That's absolutely cool to keep it like long lasting, especially when it's brand new, you know, and you just don't use it for like first little bit that you get it. And so another thing that I'm absolutely in love with right now is, I've mentioned this before, I got these little Marilyn Norman, come on now, little lipstick testers. And this, I told my mom when we go back to her town, I want some. I said, this stuff is so good. It is so creamy. And when it kind of like goes away, it doesn't like leave any traces like lip lines or anything. It just kind of just lightly goes away. And I love it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I absolutely think these are cool. They are very long. But, yeah. I mean, these are like the more natural kind. Just imagine what it looks like when you wear these. Because these are like, boom, in your face. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will have that other video uploaded very soon, promise. And so thank you so much.